Wonderful people, how you guys doing? Yeah, for a couple of days now, a day or two, I've not been able to come up with this video due to one or two things. Yeah, I'm back fully. So as usual, we we have this. Yeah, we hit SL on this, and funny enough, like I knew what was going to happen. I posted it on our Telegram channel that this trade is only for risk takers because I was not too sure of the trade because of one or two reasons, which I'm going to share briefly. I'm going to share a couple of minutes, right? So I saw this particular trade and I was like, okay, you know how we do it. And actually, I was actually expecting this market to come back to this zone inside of this box. But one way or the other, the market got broke this level, retested. So when it retested, I okay, I was not too sure. In this case, I was in between the whole stuff, 50-50 chance. So I posted it. I'll put a screenshot there. So I posted it on the Telegram channel that okay, whoever is going to take this trade, I put a disclaimer. Whoever is going to take this trade should be like, okay, I want to risk. That we are not being conservative now because I was not 100% sure or not 80% sure. The whole thing was just about 50-50 chance. And okay, you know how we do it. Let me just walk you through the way I run out my analysis. As you know, my analysis is all about waiting. I can do analysis within 5 minutes, even less than that. We have to wait a whole day for it to play out. So let me just walk you through it. So let's go to our daily time frame. Then we have this, and I believe it's because of this daily time frame that our lower time frame did not really print well, right? Which is fine, you get it. So I have something like this for me on a zone, and whenever something like this forms of the zone, I'm always excited because this is actually what I'm looking for. No, as a trader, you must have one particular thing you're looking for in the market that the market should print out for you. That's what is called strategy. That is what is called strategy. So you don't just jump on every market. You must have that particular thing that you want the market to print for you, right? So that when it's printed, yeah, you're not like, okay, yeah, this is a confirmation that okay, this market wants to go my direction, right? So when I saw this, I went to lower time frame and I also saw this, and I was waiting for the market to come around here, to come around this zone for me so that I can have a look at it, right? So for some reason the market did not come back. We cannot question the market, right? And we have a level here which the market has broken and retested. The only problem I had was that the market had to retest that zone twice. That was my problem, right? So yeah, because I was not sure, I entered a big late on the norms. I told you that I usually set my stop loss on 4 hours. For I will look for that. You know, like it's not going to be too much though. You get it, but I prefer to set it on 4 hours so that by the time this market forms like this from this zone, I wait for a retest. Then I'm going to have something like this, just slightly below that 4 hours, and yeah. But because I was not sure of the market, I was not sure. So the market already left to some, I think, so around here. So I entered a bit late, and my stop loss was just on the candle, right? So the market came back and touched it, and that moment it touched it, it just went off. So let me do the whole stuff for you. Let me give it back. So this is the market on a lower time frame. So enter the market down here, and since then the market has been giving me up and down movement. But yeah, that is part of the whole process, right? So I think I entered around here. Yeah, break of this structure, retest of this zone, I entered around here. The entry was actually nice, pretty good, but just that the market was not done yet. So yeah, that one, that's about that. So we lost this. So as of today, we were able to get something really good for ourselves, which is crash 300. Yeah, 1:3. Yeah, did 1:3 around here, but it isn't 1:2. So let me also walk you through how I did my analysis. Walk you through how the whole analysis was done. So now I check this. I saw that the market is coming down, a downtrend. I saw a zone around here that the market has respected, right? So I scale down to lower time frame. I don't have much thing to do on higher time frame. What I only do is check the direction of the market, right? I check the direction of the market, the structure of the market structure. So the market was going up, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, equal high, equal low, equal high, then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Obviously, you can see how the market moves. So the market already was giving us a lower low, lower high already. So it's coming down, right? And you can see this level. This more like a multiple top already. So there's no way this market will have broken this level some kind of way. So like I already know this market is coming down, so I came back to my 4 hours time frame, and then I saw this. Market came back to this region to retest it. It was giving us some kind of range around here, so I waited for a pressure candle, which was this. Let me so I waited for a pressure candle, which was this particular one here. Then I located the neckline of that candle, which is here. So I just waited for the market to just run through into that level, right? When the market got to that level, you now scale down to 15 minutes. I don't have to do anything. Then I scale down to 15 minutes and look for a pattern around that side. Go to 15 minutes, saw the pattern, then executed my trade. And my stop loss was somewhere very nice. So at the end of the day, we had something like this. All right, something like this. Although the market went so close to our SL, but I was just like, anything the market wants to do, you are free to do it actually. So since the market is still pumping, you see pumping, you see like falling or crashing, so to say. The next zone we are actually expecting this market to push up to is probably around here, right? Just mark this zone like this. Yeah, somewhere around here. The market is pushing down, right? So let's hope market gets to around that point, which I don't think is happening anytime soon, because we already broke a level around here, right? So two things. It either the market comes into this level, respect this zone, or blast above to go and respect a higher level. So in all of these things, you know how I do my things. I can't give you a direct prediction. All I'm telling you, all I can say is that this market is falling and it's going to fall until it gets to a particular level, which is even going down, right? It's going down, 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 down. So we have a level here, we have a level here, we have a level here. So all I can say is this market is going down, right? But I cannot predict that this is what this is when to enter, when not to enter. Yes, I enter, everything is on the Telegram channel though. But I enter when I see confirmations. I cannot tell you that the market will get to this point. I cannot tell you that it will turn back at this point. All I'm waiting for is whichever point it gets to, I'm waiting for a confirmation. If it is not going to go, the market will not print out my strategy for me to get it. But preferably, I would want this market to come to this point. If I do it here, I'll be feeling unsafe. I'll be feeling like I'm gambling. Do you get? Until this market gets to this point, that's when I now say, okay, yeah, we are ready to move, right? So guys, that's how I do my things, that's how I do my analysis, and so far so good. Our win rate has been top notch, at least top notch, sincerely. So if you want to join the family, I'm going to drop the link, our Telegram channel link, in the description below, so you can do it to join us, trade with us, and you know, yeah. All right guys, take care of yourselves, trade wise, keep your psychology in check, don't let market play you anyhow. Let me tell you what this market did to me today. My TP was around here. Okay, so I already marked it. My TP was there, this zone. Let me just tell you what this market did to me. So I actually was asleep, right? When I woke up this morning, when I woke up in the evening, no, it was really in the morning though. I was asleep around 10 a.m. So I saw this market around here. It was almost hitting my TP. So I closed manually, right? I just closed it manually and I left. I went out. When I came back, I saw the market has pushed back. I was like, yee, really? This is how market can play with your emotions, right? Because market was almost hitting, but I was sure that this market would definitely come to hit my TP. But what was this? What was all this? Market went back up, sincerely. If I was still in the trade, I would have been panicking. Like, do you understand? But I was still sure that the market was going to come back. Although I would have broken even, but I would still be worried that why would the market do something like this? But at the end of the day, market no send your papa. You know, market, he does what he wants to do. Nothing concern now. All your emotions, all your cries and everything, you know, that man, that you should say that man. Market is so, I don't know what to say, but all of your emotions is not getting to the market. Nothing. It will still do what he wants to do. Alright guys, nice having me here. And before I forget, lest I forget, we'll be hosting 3-day bootcamp by August 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of August. So if you want to experience how I do my analysis live, if you want to experience this online community we are building, you can do it to join us. Also, that same Telegram channel that will be dropped, I will do this description and put the link there. You guys can join us, trade with us, you know, have a nice time, right? So thank you guys, have a nice day and stay jiggy guys. Bye.